So what are the concerns, sir? Like
The concern is when there is a flood scenario, there is every chance that the bund probably might get affected.
Okay.
Point number one is wherever we are supposed to get the flood water, that portion needs to be pitched properly. Okay. Second one, there has to be a controlled inflow and the controlled outflow.
Yeah.
Right. And the slope of the bund inside and outside needs to be proper so it does not collapse. Okay. Maybe it is safe. And the bund should also be designed to store the water in case of emergency. Huh? Right. Some more points. Yeah.
So here, sir, as the very important point is bund.
Yeah.
Pitching outside and inside.
Yes,
Both sides. One is thing. Second thing, how we have designed, as I've told you, the tank will be inside the earth, not above the earth.
Yes,
we are not the people to construct above the earth and show you people that the capacity is so much. No, our job is to get the tank inside the earth, to where your floods of the water hits the step, so that the pressure will be not on the tank where the burst chances are very less.
Absolutely.
So that's how we have designed, and we have designed according to the climatic conditions. As I have told you, 28 inches of the rain is till date what we have received are the worst situations. We have to get ready for the 40 inches. This were the few points. And as the day progresses, according to your thoughts and views, if you tell us inlet and outlet, we will design according to your thing. And pitching, Viresh, pitching ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 140 ಮಿಷನ್ ತರಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ we are getting a 140 ಮಿಷನ್. These two machines are one more 240, 210 ಅಲ್ವಾ, one more 210 will be there. Only for the pitching we are getting 140 machine.
Pitching, how are you doing by either by some slab or by any stone?
No stone. Only by the slab. Only by the slab. Because we have gone through the stone thing also. During ಮಳೆಗೆ ಈ weather conditions, that is not and almost 800 meters
Plus this length.
yes
Plus this length also.
yes. So no point we getting into for 800 meters we getting into that. It will be a very expensive game. Instead of that, what I have told you other day, bridge is very important for us for the bridge construction. Sir, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನುಭವ ಇದೆ.
But immediately that will not happen. It will take some time. I was told that you are going the pipe as of now, right? Big pipe.
ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಬಟ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ, tomorrow if it rains heavily, so bridge should not be a concern for the time. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Fine. It is the point.
Yes.
And on what basis we have come to conclude this depth of the tank? Have we done some calculation on its capacity?
Yes. I'll show you. I have a hard copy of it. I'll show you. The main my purpose was storage of water for the Robusta plantation. That was our main purpose. Because there is no water, there is no agriculture. So that was my point. Certain few points सर ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರವಿ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ने बताया है और रवि सर ने बताया. That will work out together. That's a few points what we have to keep in mind and do it. And we had a plan of taking something to this. So what according to service matches and all, what we have decided is to make it as a matches box. Once it has come in the matches box, then you can tell us the fine tuning what to be done.
I think this is a good idea to construct a tank below the ground. This is a good idea.
Most of the projects here, what you are doing, I am not happy with that.
I am seeing that.
I am not happy with that.
There is a major concern of leakage.
What is leakage? Then again, when soil erosion is the second point. Third point, we are in an age of global warming. When we are in an age of global warming, we have to be very careful with constructing tanks. That's one point.
That I agree.
One more thing. I was in the previous pond. So the pond is being built to accommodate natural profile, right? My only concern was when the rain comes, the top layer is not crumble down. Okay. Now, हाउ से प्रोटेक्टिंग इट इनका सीजन होने वाला है वो अपने आप को चेंज हो जाएगा.
जैसा वो आप क्या बताना है, जैसा भी है उसको दूसरा एक्सकवेशन के लिए हाथ नहीं लगाना, बिकॉज वो सीजन हो गया है अब. तो वो सीजन हो गया है, तो नेक्स्ट बिग क्रेन जब आएगा तभी उसको इफेक्ट होगा. तब तक 10 साल 15 साल उसका लाइफ है. तो these people should not touch the new excavation. That these people should tell them. The moment they touch the new soil excavation, then they are inviting a trouble to them. So that was the only thing which was concerned there. And hard copy. This is for the pump when water drains out. तो हम एक टैंक के अंदर और एक छोटा टैंक बनाए, तो वे they can put their pipes and they can cut the water.
Height of one Vanessa is not much, right?
Not much, not much. We have taken a lot of precautions. Stabilized thing.
One more thing probably I want to add here. When you are building a
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
building a
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
barn, when compacting it, compaction has to be at a layer of 300 millimeters.
300 millimeters.
This is as per the engineering practices. Okay. Normally people do want a compaction of 1 meter level. No, we don't need that. 300 millimeter compactor, again layer compactor. This needs to be ensured so that the bund is stable. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. I think
Most of the things we have covered. Yes. While work is going on, you can give us feedback. We will make sure that it happens in a professional.
How much time you see?
We have kept the final date of January 5th, depending upon weathers again. Another 2 machines are coming. We are working on the quarries like today evening. Another 2 machines are coming.
When does the rainy season start here?
Rainy season we have completed, but due to this weathers, we never know when it will go.
January. Okay. What is the excavation quantity have you worked out? Have you worked out your machine inflow, outflow?
Yes.
Bund quantity you have worked out? Yes. Right? So based upon that you have a work plan, right?
Yeah.
This is the quantum excavation.
Yeah.
This is the bund construction. For that when you do the excavator, it is short. Right?
Sir, we have plan of putting 5 machines or 4 machines. So every machine will be having a burden for every day to do this much of excavation, this much of transport, this much of stuff should go there, and 140 machine will only come for the pitching.
Okay.
So we leave the burdens to the machine. So much of things should happen.
That prepared a work plan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Work plan is probably how much you are going to excavate, how much, what is the manpower, machinery you have planned for that, so that we keep your deadline. So keeping that in mind, please share that work. Okay. Fine.
Yes, I'll see the video what you have told. Again, I'll go home. I'll just work out things like main first thing. Today thing is from today like 15 ಅಡಿ ತನಕ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay.
Then immediately we'll start our next operational things.
My big concern here would be your water which is coming out.
That's what I told him.
That might probably slow down your operation. How are you geared up for that?
That's what I told you. We had one dumping pump. So by seeing this water level, we have prepared for another 2.
I have a way how it be done. We create a one deep well somewhere there. All the water goes there. Okay. Create a deep 30 feet, 40 feet, somewhere goes. Okay. Everything goes there.
We'll do.
Okay, okay, that will make your job much easier. I was telling them, create a deep pond somewhere where all the water goes there by gravity.
Visit my estate, both of you.
Sorry?
Visit my estate, both of you.
Yes, definitely. We are planning because we need to get a practical experience and confidence. People probably we say, okay, America. I mean, we are developing.
What I told you, the concept of getting the tank within the earth, I can show you better in my estate.
That is true. This is a very much better option. But what you want to say is कि suppose कोई टैंक अगर 3 साल 4 साल से बना हुआ है तो वहाँ किस तरह प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है so that you can mitigate those things.
You can. I have 4 tanks in my estate.
All are below ground.
All are below ground. These techniques, most of the people they don't do it because the charges are more here.
Yes.
Because we have to excavate, shifting problem हो जाता है. ये business में भी क्या है sir? Most of the people they put the bunt up, they show you the capacity. Our job is to rectify that because Robusta plantations require huge, humongous water source. We want a storage of water. Until unless we don't give a storage of water to the planter, then his problem will not solve. So business is all about solving problems in terms of profit. So हमारे को the project में हाथ डालना है तो we should give them all the fundamentals right.
Because the way you are constructing, you are playing below the ground level. ये safe भी है.
Yes.
When you are making
जाओ, जाओ.
and storing there, तो उसका quality आपका अच्छा होना
नहीं
जरूरी
सर,
है.
बट क्या होता है स्पेशली ये रीजन में, हम जो रीजन में ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में खड़े हैं, इमीडिएटली इधर क्लाउड बर्स्ट होता है. Nagpal is known for that. This region is known for that. तो यहाँ पे क्या काम करना है हमारे को वो करना है. Second thing, life of the tank. फ्लक्स जब नीचे से मारते हैं तो आपका स्टेप लेगा, ऊपर का बंट नहीं लेगा. तो टेक्निकलिटी इज व्हाट वी शुड सी. अभी वहाँ पे वो प्रोजेक्ट्स में सरसों के न्यू एक्सकवेशन करने ही मत दीजिए. Yes.
Only going below. We are going below the existing counter right? So find tell me how find you can construct. Okay. And one more thing, when you are making a picture for that, okay, it has to be 1 meter above the flood level.
That all will take it.
Paper obvious है ना.
Yeah.
Your maximum water level is below the sea. That means this bomb is not going to take. It's going to take water pressure in case of emergency only.
First we had a plan of putting 2 bombs. Then again this project is coming like a matches box. Then there is no point. Immediately what we did is we shifted down our plans for 1 bomb.
So this bomb is going to be at the ground level or above the ground level?
Above the ground level. I mean नीचे जाके बाद में हम ऊपर.
इसमें एक अब करना चाहिए what is the ground you need to mark what is the ground level here. कहाँ है where the normally you need to say this is the ground level.
Sure.
So we know what is above, what is below.
Yes.
Huh?
We'll do.
Right?
Yes.
Because I understand this berm is below ground level. That's I understand. Last time you were talking about that.
Below ground level. I'm sorry. Below ground level.
Below ground level.
Below. Yeah. Below ground level. I'm sorry.
Need to mark somewhere here
Yes.
the GL
Mark
code
करके
here.
दे देना.
GL code.
Yes.
This is an NSL or this is a ground level?
Yes. Below ground.
I'll be in touch with you in case we are planning to.
Sometimes we also get nervous. I'm being very transparent.
So we'll just come back to in case we are planning for visit. Maybe we communicate.
Yes, sir. We'll have a cup of coffee with you. ಸರ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಕರೆದೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವು ಬಿಸಿ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. I know ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
Night meeting.